What if financial freedom wasn't just about money, but about time, experiences, and the people you share them with?
We're a family of 6, and this past month we packed up our van, left behind routines of the everyday, and we hit the open road.
Or 7,000 miles across America.
From the mountains of Colorado to the red rocks of Zion, to the redwoods of California, every stop challenged the way we think about freedom and what it really means to us.
We learned how to live simply, spend intentionally, and find joy in the moments that don't cost a dime. So buckle up, because this isn't just a road trip, it's the journey to financial independence, 1 mile at a time. And it all starts right here in Williamstown, Kentucky at the Ark Encounter.
All right, so to kick off this trip, we're gonna start with something big, something we've wanted to do for a long time actually. It's like 510 feet long, kind of big. It's the life-size Ark. It's an incredible recreation of Noah's Ark, and whether you come from faith or history, there's just a huge wow factor to it, and seeing that in person, and just even seeing it on this earth and not just reading about it in the Bible or in the book. It's one of the most impressive things that you'll ever see in your life.
So inside the Ark, which is obviously the life-size replica built to the Bible's measurements, features 3 decks of immersive exhibits that walk you through the story of Noah, the flood, and life aboard the Ark. They're like blowing heat onto it. You'll find life-sized animal displays, animatronic figures, and detailed recreations of what daily life might have looked like for Noah's family. Look, this is where they stored their food. Look, Sully. Look at their food. This is their kitchen.
And bonus, there's a whole zoo and petting area just outside called the Ararat Ridge Zoo. And I think we all saw animals that we've never seen before. So it was actually pretty cool. Like, you think it's just this side zoo, but it's actually a lot of very unique animals that we had never seen before. Or didn't even know a couple of them existed.
It's a binturong. Oh, he's on this side. I think this one. Oh, whoa. Do you see him up high, Gwenny? It's a bear cat. A porcupine. Do you see them, Sonny? The porcupines.
They porcupine.
Those are alpacas. They do spit. And especially like the experience with the little kangaroos. You got to walk in, like inside the kangaroo exhibit. You didn't get to touch them, but you got to walk in.
Yeah.
So if you're planning a visit, here's what we learned. First, you want to buy tickets online ahead of time. We did that. Luckily, there wasn't a big crowd. So if you do go during busy season, it's going to save you a lot of time at the gate. Parking there is about a mile away, but we found out that they have shuttle buses that run every few minutes, and it's like clockwork for them, and they do a really good job. And you also want to plan for at least 3 to 4 hours if you want to see everything. The Ark itself, like we said before, has 3 massive decks filled with those exhibits that walk you actually through the story. So if you really want to immerse yourself in it, give yourself a lot of time. When you enter the Ark, there are a lot of sounds and lights that resemble a really strong storm, and our little sweet 2-year-old son thought there really was a storm happening, which actually ended up being quite a challenge throughout the tour, but we pushed through it. But just so you know, there are those, if you do have a child that is sensitive to that.
Yeah.
In the water, it was creaking. It's okay.
That's what it would sound like if you're in the Ark back then. That's the storm outside. You know, it's kind of funny, like when you're in there, and if you just forget for a minute that you're inside of a fake Noah's Ark, it does really feel real and sound real too. And they have like the little animals make sounds too.
Yeah, and then there's creaking. It sounds like you're on waves. And the Ark Encounter is handicap and stroller friendly, and it's air conditioning, so if you do go during the hot season, don't worry about that. And there are plenty of food options too. We went to Zara's kitchen for lunch, and it was like a buffet lunch. The kids enjoyed that, going back and forth for food. And it overlooks the Ark, so you get a cool
cool
view. Cool view. And there is a gift shop. There's the gift shop in the Ark, and then there's a gift shop after the Ark.
Oh
and
yeah, that's right.
If you have the willpower to get through it with the kids, then
we spent plenty of time at both.
Yeah, always.
So it was more than just a museum. It was an experience. It really was. Families can learn, they can explore and reflect, all while walking through one of the most ambitious wooden structures that's ever been built and that we've ever seen in our life. It's pretty amazing.
It was truly that perfect mix of faith, history, and family fun, and it was a great first stop for us to set the tone for our cross-country adventure. What was your favorite thing about the trip to the Ark?
The zoo. And my favorite animal was, what were those birds that that she was like doing this with her arms? What were they called?
Was it the crown crane?
I think it was the crown crane. The dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs? I was pretty amazed with that too. I did not realize that there were dinosaurs on Noah's Ark.
Yeah, because you said there wasn't it, because Zach had put a T-Rex on his Lego Noah's Ark.
Yeah, and I was like, that's not right. There weren't dinosaurs, but there actually were dinosaurs.
How did they get on there?
Babies.
So they had baby dinosaurs to save space, so they weren't like the adult big ones. But they were
probably so they didn't need the Ark.
They didn't poop a lot or eat too much food?
The zoo.
The zoo? Yeah, I like the zoo too. Were there any animals in particular that you liked?
The kangaroos.
The kangaroos. They were cool because we could walk into their little exhibit, and we had to follow the path, but they were right there that we could actually interact with them.
And not the one with chatty butt.
It was scratching his butt. That's right. I forgot about that. Oh, that was cool.
Big.
It was so big?
Yeah.
Did it kind of scare you though?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was scary about it?
Big boat.
What was scary about it?
And then you won't put me back all the time.
Did you feel like you were in a storm?
No.
Did you like the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's on? Uh-oh. Turn it off.
No, it's still on.
No, turn it off.
Oh, this turned on. That's okay. This is on.
All right. And now we've got about 7,000 more miles to go.
From Charleston to the West Coast, we're chasing big adventures, little moments, and a whole lot of memories in between. So buckle up, subscribe, and join us for the ride.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe to our channel.
Tell them.
Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Say subscribe to our channel, Sully.
Goodbye.
Can you say subscribe to our channel?
Channel.
Close enough. Bye, guys. See you soon.
Apple. You can get the front. It's getting deep on Finn. Join some